Health is wealth. Absolutely, health is wealth, is a wise saying that emphasizes the importance of prioritizing our well-being. Here are 10 tips to help you maintain good health. 1. Regular exercise *. Engage in physical activities that you enjoy, such as walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or playing sports. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. 2. Balanced diet *. Consume a nutritious and well-balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit the intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of salt and saturated fats. 3. Adequate hydration *. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Water is essential for various bodily functions and can help maintain overall health. 4. Get enough sleep *. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Proper sleep is vital for physical and mental well-being, as it allows your body to rest and repair. 5. Manage stress *. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing mindfulness, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on your health, so it's essential to find coping mechanisms. 6. Avoid harmful substances *. Minimize or avoid smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and recreational drug use. These habits can lead to severe health problems over time. 7. Regular health checkups *. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor your health and catch any potential issues early on. 8. Practice good hygiene *. Maintain good hygiene habits, such as washing your hands regularly, brushing your teeth twice a day, and showering regularly. These habits can help prevent the spread of infections. 9. Stay socially connected *. Cultivate healthy relationships and stay connected with friends and family. Social interactions can positively impact your mental well-being and reduce feelings of isolation. 10. Limit screen time *. Reduce the amount of time you spend on electronic devices, especially before bedtime. Excessive screen time can disrupt sleep patterns and affect your overall health. Remember that everyone's health needs are unique, so it's essential to listen to your body and make choices that align with your specific health requirements. By incorporating these tips into your lifestyle, you can enhance your overall well-being and truly appreciate the value of health as wealth.